Hello everyone, welcome back to my new and old subscriber. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I will be sharing with you my special way of making lumpy egusi soup without frying. This method is so easy and pretty straightforward. The soup was so super delicious and the taste was out of this world. So guys, if you love what you are seeing, stay tuned and let's make this together. But before we get started, here are the list of ingredients needed for this recipe. We are going to be needing grilled mackerel fish, egusi known as melon seed. Here is our protein, beef, shaki, season cubes, uziza powder, some fresh pepper add to your taste, salt to taste, cow skin known as kanda or omo. So here we have some grounded crayfish, uziza leaf. I'll be using the dry one. I have my blended onions. So here I'll be using some bitterleaf, obey, red palm oil, cow leg. Finally, we have some stock water. Now let the cooking begin. In a clean pot, I poured in the stock water. Add some water to it. Season it up with some season cube, crayfish, uziza powder, obey. I've dissolved it with water. So I have some pepper, some salt to taste, then add in the red palm oil, stir, cover and brings to a boil. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand, you know fit ginger, you go humble your spirit. While that is cooking, I went ahead to blend the egusi. Cover and blend until it is smooth. Once that is done, pour the blended egusi in a bowl. Stir, go ahead and season it up with some season cube, little salt, blended onions. That's the blended one, and mix very well. Keep mixing just the way you are seeing here on the screen to make sure it is well combined. Okay, so it does not need to be too watery or too thick. Okay, and this is the perfect consistency needed. Now set aside. Now let's check on the pots. As you can see, the stock is now boiling. Now go ahead and add in the egusi paste in tablespoonful very gently into the boiling liquid. Okay, once that is done, cover and keep cooking until the rawness has gone out of the egusi for about 10 to 12 minutes without stirring on a low heat. 10 minutes later, we are checking on the pot. As you can see, it is almost okay. Now give it a gently stir. Then I went ahead and add in the protein and added some cow skin. That's my omo. Yeah, and keep stirring gently. So I added the cow leg. Now it is time to add in the vegetables. So I added the uziza leaf, bitter leaf known as onubu. Add it gently.
Mira's kitchen day for you. Mira's kitchen day for you. And they for
So here I added the rest of the crayfish. Okay, now I went ahead and add in the grilled mackerel fish. Once that is done, cover the pot and cook for another 2 minutes.
enjoy yourself for tabi follow.
After 2 minutes now, our delicious lumpy egusi is ready. This is how I love enjoying my egusi soup. Can you see what I'm seeing? Now go ahead and give it a gently and lovely stir. Turn off the cooker and it is done. Do you see how lumpy it looks? You can as well break it into smaller parts if that's how you prefer yours. Now it is time to serve. Enjoy with any swallow of your choice, pounded yam, gari, semovita, or you can as well enjoy it with your plain parboiled rice. Yeah. So guys, are you watching and you love what you are seeing? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. God bless you. See you in my next one. Bye.